morning. We are in the 7th week of English. Our lesson is all about comparison and contrast of information from pages 33 to 35. Informative text. They are presented in different forms. Some are presented by showing sequence or order, description, cause and effect, and problem and solution. Another way of presenting and understanding details in an informative text is through comparison and contrast. Through this strategy, two or more persons, places, things, events, or topics are compared and contrasted. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to compare and contrast information. Let's read the selection below. The title is Mount Mayon and Mount Taal. Mount Mayon and Mount Taal are two of the most active volcanoes in the country. Mount Mayon is known for its perfect cone-shaped structure. It is located in the Bicol region. Meanwhile, Mount Taal is considered as the world's smallest volcano. It is situated in the Calabarzon region. The two volcanoes may differ in sizes, but once they erupt, both may be destructive. How did the author present information about the two volcanoes? Mount Mayon and Mount Taal are compared and contrasted in the given selection. Their similarities are presented, while their differences are also discussed. They are compared and contrasted in terms of their size, shape, location, and status. In addition, when we're talking about comparison, we're looking for the similarities. If it's contrast, we're looking for the differences. Learning Task 1. Read the statements below. You may also listen them by asking your parents or guardians to read them for you. Then identify the topics or items being compared and contrasted. Write the letters of your answers. Number 1. The capital of Rizal is Antipolo, while the capital of Quezon is Lucena. A. Rizal and Quezon. B. Rizal and Antipolo. C. Quezon and Lucena. Number 2. Eagle can fly while whale can swim. A. Eagle and snake. B. Whale and snake. C. Eagle and whale. Number 3. Jose Rizal was born in Calamba, Laguna, while Apolinario de la Cruz or Hermano Pule was born in Lucban, Tayabas, or Quezon. A. Jose Rizal and Miguel Malvar. B. Jose Rizal and Apolinario de la Cruz. C. Apolinario de la Cruz and Hermano Pule. Comparison and contrast. One of the ways in presenting information is through comparing and contrasting. In comparing, one examines the similarities of two or more persons, places, things, events, and or topics. On the other hand, contrasting shows the differences of two or more items. Let's do Learning Task 2. Read the selection below, then answer the questions that follow. The cardinal and the cedar waxwing are two common birds. Both have crests in their heads, but these birds have some differences. Male cardinal is bright red, while the waxwing is brown. The cedar waxwing often migrates from one place to another. On the other hand, the cardinal stays in one place year after year. Question number 1. What are cardinal and cedar waxwing? A. Horses. B. Birds. C. Snakes. Number 2. What do they have on their heads? A. Crest. B. Pearls. C. Crowns. Number 3. Based on the selection, how do the two differ in terms of color? A. Male cardinal is bright red, while waxwing is brown. B. Male cardinal is brown, while waxwing is bright red. C. Male cardinal is bright brown, while waxwing is red. And number 4. How is their length of stay in one place described? A. Waxwing stays in one place year after year, while cardinal migrates from one place to another. B. Waxwing and cardinal both stay in one place year after year. And letter C. Cardinal stays in one place year after year, while waxwing migrates from one place to another. And for the last activity, let's complete. The choices are differences, informative, similarities. Let's read. Comparing and contrasting is one of the ways in presenting blank text. In comparing, blank between two or more persons, places, things, events, or topics are presented. Meanwhile, contrasting shows the blank between two or more items. So we're done with the activity and the lesson. I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much. See you again next time. Bye.